Now, I'm a supervisor overseeing a group of financial advisors, and here is my Messaging Analytics app that allows me to see what my advisors and clients are talking about over time, and how these trends have been evolving. I have the flexibility to filter by advisor group just up here. Thank you. And I can also select a specific time frame. Thank you, Niz. I can see the topics that are completely new to the left-hand side. Now, these are topics that haven't been part of conversations during previous periods. In the middle, I can see topics that are trending up, so copper, high yield rates, etc. And to the far right-hand side, I can see the conversations that are trending down. So you can see examples, beneficiary verification, CRE market outlook, etc., things that are just decreasing in popularity. Now, as we said, this is a view of my whole firm. At the top, you can see Blue Oak Capital Management to get a full understanding of the current global trends. But if I wanted to, I could click into that and drill down to North America to see what the results look like then. With just a few clicks, Trending Topics allows me to understand the interests of my different client segments at a period of time that I've specified. And now I can use this intelligence to provide better training tools and materials so that my advisor teams can manage better client communications and provide data-driven customer support. Genius. Let's go back now to see my full firm. Thank you again, Niz. And this time, let's look at a topic that's been hot and trending. So let's click into copper. If I click into here, you can see at the bottom that the conversations have really been trending up around copper. So something's happened. And it's definitely going to be something that I now want to follow up with my trading and front office teams.
So it's a really simple concept when you see it in action, but behind the scenes, things are a little bit more complicated. We allow the firm to control which users and even which rooms they want included in this service. It may be that not all conversations you have that you want to have analyzed. And this application that Liz is showing can be controlled so that only certain users can see it. So for example, only supervisors get to see this information. Now, in the past, you'd have had to use complicated tags to track all these topics, but now the LLM picks out these trends for you automatically, and not just from a rigid list, but dynamically as your customer conversations evolve. And all this computation is secure. You don't share your data with another firm, and we use our existing secure infrastructure that's been expanded to support AI models. You heard Dietmar talk about our confidential cloud solution earlier today.
Absolutely. And we know that it's completely critical for this to be configurable. And so you'll see that there are many options available that provide the assurance that your users are only ever accessing data that they would have access to anyway. And we see a lot of use case possible through this use case to transform customer intelligence. Firms can take insights and build automated workflows leveraging their own secure AI agents. For example, they can trigger automated new trend alerts sent directly to their advisors. Think of it as an intelligent assistant that listens, organizes, and highlights what your customers really care about, all without compromising speed or security.
So we're really excited about our messaging analytics suite, and we think Trending Topics is a huge added value to anyone who wants to analyze the content of their organization's communications. We've showed you here an advisor use case, but it could be also used in operations, OCRM, or anywhere else. We're already in pilot mode with a few clients, and this is just the beginning. Whether it's understanding client interests, client sentiment, improving customer support, or enabling compliance, messaging analytics is unlocking the insights hidden inside everyday conversations.